Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, we are filming the Not My Hands challenge. Alright, so let's just get this started. Okay, so here's my foundation. I'm currently using the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. It's really good and full coverage. This is my favorite drugstore foundation so far. And now we're going to open this up. There we go. And apply it to the beauty sponge. There we go. There we go. We're gonna apply it all over the face, the chin, my mouth, the cheeks, the nose. Okay. And now, just want to make sure I don't put any of my hijab. No, it goes to the face only. I think I'm done with my foundation. We're going to put this down very far away from me. Very far. Okay. And now we're going, woo, that was something, wasn't it? My ears are getting a little hot. Okay. Okay, next step. Moving to the concealer, which we dropped. And we're applying this right underneath our eyes. I have a mirror right here, which I'm obviously not using for guidance. I did save my eyes, but why not the bridge of the nose as well, right? Okay, we're going to be gentle like this. Yeah. There we go. I can't seem to get this to blend. Oh, there we go. This motion is much better. Okay. Okay. I can't seem to open my eyes. I have to blend my eyes somehow. I got to my eyelids. There we go. There we go. Blend, 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 blend. Oh, alright. My eyelids, there's still some of my eyelids, okay. Okay. Alright, so now that that's over, wait, I'm a little thirsty. This is really good. Putting this down. Oh, putting it. Okay, now we're moving to a little bit of bronzer. Yeah? No? Yes. Yes. That palette right here. I love the Sigma palette so much, and I'm going to open it to show you guys how much I've been using it. It's actually not bad. There's no holes yet. I haven't created a sinkhole, as Muhammad calls it. And I'm going to apply the lightest shade I see. The other side? Hey, there we go. Sometimes I put it underneath my jawline. Usually I blend it much better than this, but I'm just having a very lazy day today. And ta-da! We're done with the bronzer part. And now we're moving to the blush. This one is also from Sigma, and it's my go-to blush palette. And we're gonna apply a little bit of the pink blush color to our cheeks. Oh. There we go. Now the other side. For some reason I'm just staying here longer than I'm used to. Okay. Okay, I'm looking like a clown. Alright, so definitely not the look I was going for, but you know, things happen. And a little bit of my nose, because why not? And now I'm putting this palette down. There we go. No. We seem to be thirsty. I'm thirsty again. Can't believe we're halfway there. All right, so let's keep going. We're going to move into the eyebrows. So I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. Okay, I'm just gonna grab my head very awkwardly, like this, and cover half of my face, and apply to my eyebrow, not my skin. Okay, I have to be very awkwardly. Okay, there we go. There we go, and we're done on this side. Now we're moving to the other side where I need a little bit more help. Okay, and I'm gonna close my eyes just to make sure I don't poke myself. And
here.
And there we go. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Now brush it. Brush it. We're gonna brush it. Okay. Brush the brow, not the skin. Okay. You know, sometimes you have a bad day and it's okay. It's fine. Let's just move on. Let's put the pencil down and let's move into the eyeliner. I'm going to use this NYX liquid liner in black. And I'm just gonna open it and very carefully, like super carefully, apply it. Done. Done. And now the other side.
Shit.
Remember what I was telling you about having a bad day? It's reflecting on my face, but it's okay. It's okay, it's all right. Okay, so let's move into the highlighter. Okay, that's enough.
Cheekbones, babe.
Woo, that's a lot of product.
You need it.
Okay.
This sun looks effed up, dog. I didn't do this. It's not my way.
You can't talk.
Okay.
All right, that's done. That's done with. Now, last but not least, we're moving to the lips. Okay, so I'm thirsty. Oh, that was good. I'm putting it down. Okay, so I like to dance in between my makeup session. No, we don't dance. We don't. No, I don't.
Are we good?
Oh yeah, we're good.
You gotta tell me.
We're good.
How are you just gonna leave me in the dark?
For some reason, I got it on my tooth. I'm gonna use a finger. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try to line my lips very carefully with this. Nice. Now the top. Oh, that was rough. Oh, that was rough. Okay, this lipstick is from Kylie Cosmetics. I believe the name is Candy. And we're gonna open it up and apply it to the lips. Okay, step away. All right. Nice. Well, depending what you consider nice, but voila! Here is the final look. What do you guys think? Huh? Do you approve? Rate this look from 1 to 10 down below and let us know what you would give it. I would say this is a solid 2. Oh God. Alright guys, don't forget that I'm now uploading twice a week on my YouTube channel. And my uploading days are Wednesdays and Fridays. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Woo, there's that jerky.